Hey folks, welcome to Fresh Produce. I'm Pete from BTI. If you haven't watched our channel before, we like to give really in-depth looks at a lot of the new products that come through our shelves here at BTI. Today I'm going to talk about a couple of different tools that I think might be useful for you either in the shop or out on your bike ride. We've talked about the OneUp Edc Tool before, so check out our past videos so that you can look at all the specific features. But they've just come out with a brand new V2 version and some nice cool accessories to go along with it. So let's look at some of the details. First of all, this V2 tool, this is the tool and it kind of has a carrier all built in. The part of it is these two canisters at the bottom, so two removable canisters. You can even thread a CO2 cartridge right down here if you choose to remove those canisters, but you have the options of the two sizes without a CO2. They have some other really neat tools that can thread in here, like a tubeless plug jabber tool. So that can be covered over by the smaller canister, kept protected. And these canisters do a good job of keeping those little bacon strip rubber plugs moist and functioning longer as well. So pretty cool here. On the tool side, we can pop that out. So you have a tire lever, an updated chain pin tool. This is now steel, so it's going to be a little more durable. And then also you've got some spoke wrenches right here too, also updated with steel. The EDC tool itself, I think, is about the same as the original. It's got several hex bits as well as a Torq bit and a nifty little quick link breaker. So check that out. Once we get this all back together, just pops right in. It does fit in the OneUp pumps. They have a couple of different sizes that fit right on your frame or in your backpack. So that's a great way to carry it, and that's how I do it myself. But here's the new option. This is a new, basically a top cap for your headset or steer tube. So you can drop this in, it'll replace the star nut, and there's a plug that goes on the bottom of that steer tube. And then this comes with several lengths of bolts, so you can tension this up down at the bottom of this carrier itself. You'll tension your headset that way, and then it gives you space for this EDC tool. You do need to remove the larger canister. It won't fit with that, as well as this bigger O-ring down here at the bottom. Okay, once that's off and the threadless carrier is installed, the tool just drops right in. It works overall really similar to the way that their old top cap worked, but you don't have to thread the head tube anymore, really making it an easier install. Pop that out, easy to access when you're out on the trail. All right, I also wanted to talk about this new Edc Light Tool. It's basically the same tool itself, just without the tire levers or chain pin tool. So the same bits and stuff on there, but it does just fit into this really small little carrier that'll fit right inside your steer tube. You still use the star nut. In fact, they include this extra bolt to help hammer that star nut deeper in the steer tube. And then this can fit right in, taking the place of your top cap, and the tool fits right inside of that. So really great upgrade if you already have some other tools on your bike or in your backpack and just want an easy access, quick piece here. It could also fit really well for road or gravel bikes too. Check that guy out. Now, I think the OneUp EDC system is so great for out on the trail, but let's talk about a tool for at the shop or in your home shop as well. Here's the Topeak Torq stick. This is an actual clicking torque stick that helps you get your bolts up to the right torque values. This one has an adjustable range from 4 to 20 Newton meters. So there's an older version out there that was a 2 to 10 Newton meter torque range, a little bit bigger on the newest version. What I think is so cool about this tool is, it's small and light, highly adjustable, and it does come with 9 bits. I think this would be a great thing for every shop employee to have in their apron or behind the counter, so you can send every bike test ride or every brand new bike out there with the bolts torqued to correct value. Doing a quick saddle height adjustment on a high-end carbon bike, let's use the torque wrench and make sure that's torqued correctly. No sense risking cracked carbon or anything like that on some of these nice new carbon bikes. I think this also adds a really nice layer of professionalism for every shop tech, just showing that you're giving the care to your customer's bike every time they walk out the door. Of course, it'd be great for the home mechanic as well. Really economical and a really nice functioning tool with that Topeak Torq stick. All right, if any of the things we talk about today catch your eye, it seems like something you might like to try, make sure you ask at your local bike shop. Tell them BTI sent you. Thanks for watching.